Alright folks, back here at High Style Motoring, we're going to show you how to put the, what we're working on right now is the SSR SR125TR, which is this one here is a 110. We just put that one together, but we got Seth here that's going to show us how to put the, oh, by the way, Seth here, we call him the, we call him the Kobe at High Style Motoring here. Kobe Bryant at High Style Motoring, and you can see why. Right, Seth?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shooting them hoops.
Yeah, he's just a couple shades lighter, but he's our Kobe down here. He has a dead ringer for him. All right, so now we're gonna put this front fender and front protector plate on here. Now Seth's gonna tell you. Now this bracket, which one comes upside down sometimes?
This one.
Okay, so you got this bracket here. Sometimes out of the crate, that'll come down pointing up. We want that T. We want the T to stand like a true T. That's how it goes on properly. So anyhow, he'll show you how. What are we going to bolt those into the? Here, let's show that. Yeah. They're going to go into those two holes there.
That one hole and right up here.
Okay, so we got three holes we're going to go into here on the triple tree here on the clamps. Put the top one in there first, hold that in place. We'll leave that a little loosey-goosey so we can finagle the other ones in there. And of course, before anything goes on here, always Loctite everything. These are off-road vehicles. We want those things Loctited down. And you actually want to double check your nuts and bolts after every ride, your chain tension, what have you. You want to check that as well. They just have a tendency to vibrate, so that's the way that unit goes on here. And then we have another plate. We're going to put this one on now.
Got two pegs.
Yeah, we got two little pegs there. Slide into those holes there. Perfect. Like it, like it, like it. That's just the way that works. Okay, just remember pitbikesgonewild.com for the videos, or give us a ring here at High Style Motoring at 562-945-8361. We're here Monday through Saturday to answer our phones for our customers, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific time. So we'll get in there. Just a nice looking unit. This is a 2012, the new edition of the SSR SR125TR. This actual model here, this unit here is it's white. It's called white, but you can see that just some sweet graphics on this thing. You know, basically the color scheme of the entire bike is white, black, and red. Just a nice unit all the way around. Turned out to be one of the most popular models of the year. Sold out of these twice this year already in 2012. Now once he gets that thing on, white fender, he's just gonna keep all the nuts and bolts a little loose. Until you get everything aligned properly, and then go ahead and snug them down. That's how that works. And just remember, anything you get a hold of, just Loctite that. Now we're doing a little promo right now. Anybody can figure out where this video game, what TV show this video game came from. For kids 12 and under, we'll throw in a free motocross helmet if they just mention what TV show they saw this on that highlighted High Style Motoring and the pit bikes. We'll give a little gander at this little puppy here. We're doing a promo right now to promote that TV show, so You say that you saw that video game right there, sit-down arcade game, on what TV show? And then we get you a kids 12 and under get a free motocross helmet. He's just going to drill those things down now, and that'll be all done. Let's go take a look at the helmets real quick here. All of our bikes come standard with a free set of goggles, free set of motocross gloves here, but we'll show you some of the kids off-road helmets we have here. We got those. We got the gloves that come with those units. Gloves are a nice set of goggles. We got the Spider-Man pattern here. We also got them in adult sizes as well. So wheels, tires, inner tubes, pretty much covered the bases on these, even the limited edition pink model of the bike here. So anyhow, any questions, give us a ring, 562-945-8361, Monday through Saturday. Any questions? Appreciate it. Ride safe, everyone.